Welcome to your Home Sweet Florida home. I am thrilled to show you this property today. This is a brand new remodel. It's here in Pine Ridge Estates, which is our very special equestrian and nature paradise community in Citrus County, Florida. So it's very well located, convenient access to a lot of different amenities. But within the community itself, you're going to find 1+ acre lots. This is 1.06 acre. Houses are spread out, but it still gives you a nice community feel and wonderful neighbors. So I want to show you this remodel. This house is ready to go. I'm sure you enjoyed that curb appeal of the country front porch, the dormer windows, and the beautiful tongue and groove plank ceiling on that amazing porch. Check out this living area. We've got another cedar beam here that complements the cedar tongue and groove of the porch and the wonderful natural light from that dormer window. So there's 2 dormers that are bringing extra light into this home. You see that the lighting is all the recessed lighting and then fans with light kits in all the bedrooms and the main spaces. So very well positioned for comfort. Quartz countertops throughout and a very spacious kitchen with tons of cabinets. Even this special nook here that has a pull-out, which could be used for a lot of different things, but makes access very easy to some of those items in the kitchen that you need. Brand new appliances in this kitchen, so never used. You're set to go. This is a split bedroom plan. We're headed to in the primary suite now. And on the other side, I'll show you the 2 guest bedrooms and the other full bathroom. But nice space in here. You can see you have room to do a sitting area, some, if you want to put in some dressers, there's plenty of room for those types of things, and a whole wall here for a nice big television if you like to have that TV in your bedroom. This is the ensuite bathroom, complete remodel here. Again, spacious. It feels like a spa. You've got a little area here you can sit and you can put your clothes or your towels or your robe, whatever you need after you come out of the shower. And gorgeous tiled shower, nice sliding glass doors there. And look at this no fog mirror. Both of the bathrooms have the quartz countertops and the no fog mirrors. And then 2 sinks here for your primary suite. Also, I'm going to show you here, we have a nice walk-in closet. This house is just over 1,700 square feet, so while it doesn't have a huge footprint, it does give you all of the amenities that you typically want in a nice, well-appointed home. So that's your primary suite, owner's suite. Look at this window. I absolutely love this window. It's a big window. It's a slider style, double pane, energy efficient. So here we walk through the kitchen. We've got a built-in wine fridge. So you're set there for your entertaining and your evenings out on the screened porch, enjoying your glass of wine and the beautiful nature. We'll go out there in a minute. Right here is a spacious laundry room. You've got the laundry tub ready to go with the washer and dryer setup. And look at the beautiful wainscoting in this laundry room. Absolutely gorgeous. And you're noticing, I'm sure, there's everything is very neutral with white walls, but so you can do whatever you want if you want to add color. But we've got this very pleasant green that touches throughout the home and makes for a very nice feel. Quartz countertops here. We've got the undermount sinks, and then look at this this tub shower, tiled all the way up to the ceiling, cove ceiling in this bathroom. We've got medicine cabinets in the bathrooms, and right here we have a nice linen closet. So there's a lot of storage in this house. This is a unique feature here. This is a utility hall. So you've got the laundry room we just looked at, and then you've got the utility hall. Utility hall has, this is your kitchen pantry, and it's a nice deep pantry. There's a lot of space in here. You could even add some more shelving if you needed to. In fact, I might do some smaller racks here on the side for spices and seasoning and things. But that's your pantry. built-in ironing board, and then this is the utility closet that has the brand new water heater and the new air conditioner, air handler. So the air conditioner was replaced and last year, and the water heater replaced this year, and the roof just got put on as well this month. So now we're at the guest bedroom. So first of the two guest rooms, very spacious, built-in closet there, plenty to work with in this room, keep your guests comfortable. And then across the hall is another guest bedroom. This one does not have a closet built into it. You could do an armoire, so it really serves well as either a guest bedroom or an office. And you've got that beautiful dormer window up there, so you're getting that natural light. The nice thing is this is a bedroom. When that light, that sun starts coming in, people are not probably going to sleep in unless you put a curtain over that window. But I always think, you know, daylight is shining. We should be up and around. 2-car attached garage. You see that this garage has that extra bump out as well. So you've got space to park the 2 cars, all ready to go with the tennis ball here. Park the 2 cars and have some extra garage storage. There's so much storage in this house, and for the size of the house, it's quite fabulous to have that much storage. Also the pull-down attic access, and you see there the sprinkler controls. There are, the 1 acre is under a sprinkler system, and that sprinkler system has a number of zones throughout the property. So you can keep your landscaping in really good shape and looking nice. We've got that service door here off of the garage. A lot of houses don't have the service door anymore, so that I think is really nice to have. But in addition to that, you have this separate door here as well off the utility area, which look at how convenient this is. So if you're working in the yard, you come right in, you're sweaty, you need to get cleaned up, you can pop right into that bathroom and even just rinse yourself off or take a shower if you want to, right? This is a great mudroom area. Leave your shoes in here, put some shoe storage in the cabinet or in this hallway. You're not tracking stuff through the house, and you have access here to the side of the home, which is really, really convenient. Now, the other thing I think is notable here is if you did have an in-law situation or need, right, this side door could be a private entrance. So then you have this wing of the house that could be for the in-laws or, mother, father, whatever your situation would be with having that additional multifamily type setup. So you could have a sitting room and a bedroom, kind of make it a little mini separation of house, a separate house, and then everybody has access to the kitchen. So it's really laid out very well to have a lot of functionality with this house. Now I'm going to take you, I was going to go out that way, but I don't want to do that. I want to actually take you through the lanai so you can see how beautiful that space is. We've got the same brick pavers here on the lanai as you saw on the front porch. So everything is very consistent with the finishes throughout this home. Good space, obviously you have room for a table. You've got the fan and the light here, so you're able to just sit and enjoy any time of the day or night. And then we've got this whole additional paved patio area. Nice little bird bath there. You're going to get lots of birds, lots of wildlife. And one thing you may be noticing as well, which I think is quite fantastic and special about this property, is that road. That's a private road that you can access the back of your property. It is an asphalt road. And it's private, so it's not maintained, by the county or anything like that. But it also is not being used by anyone except these homeowners that back up to this road. And with this amazing carport, you pull your truck in, your trailer, your boat, whatever it is that you have, you keep it covered, and it's easy to get in here. And you don't have to be driving across the front of your lawn or anything like that. So that's unique. There's not many places in this community that have that set up. And then look at the beautiful trees, oak trees. I mean, it feels like a little park back here. I just love that. So I don't know if you're noticing this, but there's a very, very thick concrete foundation there on that carport. And this is a lovely shed. It does have a fan and a light in it, so you can be very comfortable. You could put a, certainly a window air conditioner in here if you wanted to make this a little more comfortable in the summer. But this is a nice space, and then it also has this awesome door. They're security doors that stick a little bit. This awesome door that opens straight up to the carport. So if you're coming in, you've got items that you're unloading, you can unload them right into the shed from the covered carport. So that's nice if you're happen to be working on a day that's a little rainy. You're not getting wet as you're moving things around. So really awesome setup here with everything that this property has. And again, we are in Pine Ridge Estates. It is an equestrian community. This is not an equestrian property. However, there's only certain properties in the community that are zoned for the horses, but we do have amenities like an equestrian center. You can do co-op boarding there for a limited time. There are people that will board horses if you do have, and you can park your horse trailer under that covered carport. So, you know, that's fantastic. But the fact that the houses are spread out 1 acre or more, you have neighbors, but you also have space. You can do your gardening, you can enjoy your property peacefully, and it's gorgeous. I mean, look at these trees. So brand new roof, freshly painted inside and out, full remodel, 3 beds, 2 baths. It's ready for you. So if this looks like something that you would be interested in, then you need to reach out right away. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, and my team is RES Luxury Group. We bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. Talk to you soon.